तर सगळ्यांनी आपापल्या माइक्स जे आहेत ते सगळ्यांनी म्यूट करायचे आहेत आणि मध्येच कुठल्याही प्रकारचा डिस्टर्बन्स येणार नाही याची सगळ्यांनी दक्षता घ्यायची आहे. So first topic of accountancy and financial management, that is revenue, expenditure or valuation of stock accounting standards, but I do not start that topic because what is knowing to you from that topic we are starting the syllabus and the teaching of the financial accountancy and management. So final accounts of manufacturing concern or the proprietary firm, you are knowing that every business organization, whether it is sole trader or the proprietary firm, partnership firm, company accounts, banks and cooperative societies, so whatever may be the types of business concerns are there, they are preparing the final accounts of the business at the end of the year. So there is no any option to the business that they can't prepare the final accounts of their own business. Everybody, whether it is a small businessman, that is proprietary concern, one man show, in the proprietary business, all the activities are carried out by one person, and whatever may be the decisions, whatever may be the activities, and whatever may be the business operations are done, that are to be controlled by one person. So in the sole trading concern, the one man show is always there. Every actions, then decisions, activities are to be completed by one person, and that is why it is to be known as a proprietary firm or a sole trader. Now in this topic we are having some important points as you seen in the PPT. First part is introduction, then why final accounts are prepared, what are the purposes of it, then nature of the final accounts and financial statements which are to be prepared by the sole trader or the proprietary firm one by one. In that, manufacturing account, then trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet, by considering the various adjustments and preparing the accounting working notes. So these are some important things which we are discussed today. So in the introductory part, the manufacturing concern, that is the sole trader is not considered here. The person who is operating business by own, but he is engaged in the manufacturing concern. So manufacturing of goods, manufacturing of products, it can be done by the particular sole trader. That business concern or activity can be considered in this topic, and that is why when the manufacturing process is to be completed or done by the single person, at that time, instead of the trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet, one additional account is to be prepared in the final accounts, that is manufacturing account. So yesterday when we are discussed